guys, so we're going to go ahead and go straight into it. Not much to really teach on today. This is our last day of school. Oh my goodness, our last math assignment for the school year. So I say congratulations to you all. I appreciate you all sticking in there to the end of the year. I am really, really, truly going to miss you, whether I return or not. I'm really, really appreciate you all. You are one of my favorite classes that I have ever had, and I'm truly, truly going to miss you. And I just value the time that I had with you, and all the cards and all the pictures, all the late text messages and Facebook messages that you all sent out. I truly, truly appreciate you all, and I hope that you have an excellent summer. So this video is going to be really quick. Um, Today is going to be time. It's not much, like I said, to review because I feel like you do awesome with review. I mean, not awesome with review. Jeez Louise. You do awesome with clocks. And so I'm just going to do one of each to kind of help you understand what you're going to be doing. So we're going to be doing clocks today, and it says fill in the bubble next to the correct time. Now, when you get into third grade, you're going to be taking tests, and these tests are going to be really, really important to you because they determine if you go to the next grade. Now, kindergarten, first and second, you really didn't have to worry about that. Those tests were just to see where you were and just to see how your teachers were able to better accommodate to you and help you. But once you get to third grade, it gets a little more difficult. And you should be able to take tests very well. That's why I say pay attention to how you color circles in. Make sure you erase all the way if you choose a different answer. Make sure you're coloring in the circle and not scribbly scrabbly outside of the circle. Make sure you're neat. That's just kind of what is leading into is as you're getting prepped for third grade. So fill in the bubble next to the correct time. We're going to do A. As we all know, the shorthand points to the hour. Remember, short S equals hour. And then our longhand, remember L is long. Our longhand is our minute hand. Remember, hour is short for shorthand, and the word minute is long for longhand. And so our shorthand tells us the hour, and so when it points to the hour, it just tells us what the number is. So this looks like it's pointing to the 6. Now, even if it's not all the way on the 6, it's between the 6 and the 7, and as long as it's still between the 6 and the 7, it is still going to be 6. So we know that it's 6, but we don't know what 6. So the minute hand points to the minutes, and so when we count the minute hand, we start at 1 and we count by fives. So 5, 10, 15. So it is 6. I'm just going to make an X because it's easier for me to write it that way. But you're going to color it in. It is 6:15. All right. And so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to go, and you're going to do that for B and C. And then for A at the bottom, it says draw the two hands on the clock to show the time. So it's giving us the time, but now we have to show it on the clock. So we know that the hour hand, it just tells us where to point it to. And we know that hour is short, so it must be the short hand. So it's pointing to the 6, so we're going to point it to the 6. All right. And then it says 45. Well, we know that once we start counting by minutes, we start at 1 and we count by fives. So we got to stop at 45. Here we go. 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Oh, we stop. And my dot stopped at 9. So that means my line must point to the 9. And it has to be longer than the hour hand. So that is how your clock should look. Now these dots actually are pointing to the actual number. But as you can see, there is little dots in between or little lines in between each number. And that counts for 1. So from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and so on, Those are counting by fives because each line is one. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when it gets from one number to another number, 5 lines are in between by the time you get to the next number. So there are 4 lines in between each number. So if it was like 646, well, here's 45. And if each line counts as one, then this would be 46, that line right there. All right, so this is what you're going to be doing today. And like I said, congratulations. You made it to the end of the school year. Have a great, 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 wonderful summer. And remember that I love you and we're going to be truly, truly missed. And I will see you later. Bye, guys.